Hey guys, so this is the dehumidifier that I got yesterday. It's just about, this is the size, very small. I have just switched it on for yesterday till now, so it's like maybe about 12, almost close to 24 hours. Let me switch off the power. Okay, and I will turn off the main switch as well. Let's have a look inside. So this is where it collects the water. I am very shocked. I'm very amazed to find out that, see, it's wet. So much water. Just for roughly 24 hours. This is the amount of water it collected. Let's put it back in. I want to see. I'm doing a testing to see how long will it get full. So I will switch it on back on. The light will show you it's working. You can turn the light off by just tapping it. Okay. Single tap, you turn it off. Single tap, you turn it on. You can press and hold for 3 seconds. You turn off the lights and tap, hold for 3 seconds, you turn on the light. So this is the dehumidifier. It will keep the room dry. If you see, let me show you the room as well. This is what is happening. My bed. If you notice, all this shows that how wet the room is. So I'm trying it out and I'm seeing that it does capture a lot of moisture in the machine. Can you see the amount of mold? So I will try to continue to use this thing, and I will show you guys more update on this unit. So far my verdict is it is working because it managed to capture a lot of water in the tray.